Hey guys, it's Nathan with Dalton RV. Today I wanted to show you guys how to exchange your propane tanks and also what to do once you've actually switched these out. The manufacturer provides two 20-pound propane tanks on here. We have a test tank that is ours on here right now. The manufacturer does recommend that you get these filled instead of exchanged. It keeps any sort of trash that may be in any other tank that you would exchange it for from causing any issues. Now obviously, first thing up here, you do not want to have any open flames, any sort of sparks, anything like that while you're taking any lines off of the propane here. We do have this one currently hooked up. If you can see right down here, there is a selector where you select either the left bottle where this nub is at, or you turn it over to the right side for the other bottle. This one is on the left, and as you can tell, it does have gas here. This will turn red whenever you actually run out of gas. But the first thing that you need to do, once you've actually got your gas bottle hooked up here, make sure you turn this to the open position. Make sure your selector is on the left. Now, after you've got this hooked up, generally speaking, you're going to have a little bit of air in the lines because this has to run from here all the way back to all of your appliances on the inside. So the first thing that you're going to want to do, after your bottle's on the front, everything is turned on, you're going to want to come in here to your stovetop, turn this to high, go ahead and strike this up. You're going to want to let this burn here for about 5 minutes. It will get any air bubbles that are in the lines out. If you do happen to light your furnace or your water heater, if there are air bubbles in the lines, it will cause the circuit boards to have to reset. So you have to wait 30 minutes before you can light either one of those again. But if you come in here and bleed the lines first, you won't have any issues. We do have all of our available stuff in there for regulators, anything to do with propane in our store. If you have any questions, we will be glad to help you. Just give us a call, 706-529-3300.